everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are on a roll with videos. If this is the first one that comes out, then expect some more. So I did a little bit of shopping, very little, but it's something because I have not shopped at Sephora in a while, and the last time I went, which was maybe a month ago, it turned into Mia shopping for makeup, and I probably bought a lip gloss. So I went into Sephora and I picked up some products that I've actually really been wanting to try out. So Selena Gomez's line, Rare Beauty, right? Rare Beauty. So I picked up the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, and not see this product at all. So I got the foundation. Let's see, I got just a couple of things. I got the Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer, the Soft Pinch Blush, which I really wanted to try her liquid blushes, and Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. Love the packaging, love how sleek and uniform everything is, and I love even the boxes that they come in. Look so cute, and I don't know, I just started trying them and everything looked real good on hand, but we all know when we go home and put it on our face, it's a completely different story. Let's jump into it. Let's try some stuff on. So obviously, let's start with foundation. In the foundation, I got a shade. Does anyone else open from the bottom if there's like a tape at the top? Because Lord knows I'd probably just rip the whole box. So this is what the foundation looks like, very nice. This is not a dropper, it is a doe foot applicator, and I got it in the shade 290N. So on the packaging itself, a foundation elixir that feels barely there while building coverage and boosting your natural glow. So we're all about the glow. And I like how the coverage can be buildable instead of it being too heavy or barely there. So we're just gonna give that a shake. It does sound like there's something inside that helps mix it better, which is always a plus, because you really wanna make sure that you break that up or just blend it. One of my favorite ways to apply foundation, and this is an AOA Studio Brush F19, and it's from Shop Miss A. It's only $1, but it blends seamlessly. Oh, actually, what am I doing? We should start with the primer first. Hello. She did have two primers. She has an illuminating one and she has a mattifying one or pore diffusing one. This one, I wasn't too big on the shimmer one. It was very, very shimmery. Like, it was shimmer, less of a glow, if that makes sense. Like some highlighting ones or illuminating ones are more like, I don't know, hers seemed more particles. Like, it was like, once I smeared it, it was kind of like glitter all over my hand, and I didn't want that on my face. But once I tried, this is the mini size, once I tried the pore diffusing one, whoa, my hand was super matte, super soft. It looked like it was photoshopped. So hopefully it goes the same for my face. I'm just gonna scoot up because my mirror is over here. So it is a pump. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. And it's kind of that silicone texture. I don't know if you could see that. I'm just gonna use a little bit, and obviously I'm gonna put it on my T-zone and on my cheeks here, and I'm just gonna work that in. So it does say pore minimizing. It's very, very soft and smooth to apply. And if I seem a little extra red, it's hot in here. I've done a couple videos already. So my pores are definitely minimized. I actually think I want a little bit more to put all over my face. And I'm just applying that evenly. And my skin looks really, really smooth already. It feels smooth. My pores are way less noticeable. Okay, so we're here. My skin just feels really soothed. There really isn't much of a scent to it, which is really good because sometimes, especially with primers, I feel like the scent can be overwhelming. So far, loving the primer. Moving on to the foundation. So let's give it a try. I'm just gonna take whatever's on here and let's see. Hopefully it, you know, matches my skin tone good too. So right away, blends in pretty good. Now, I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if it's just this, maybe I didn't shake it enough. I don't know if it's too watery. The color seems pretty decent, but I just feel like it's too wet. I don't know how I feel about this right now. I have really high hopes because it looked good on the hand. It didn't look, let me shake again. Please hold. Okay, so I love the color. I'm loving how it looks, but there's something wrong. I don't know if my brush works with literally everything, but maybe this is just too much of a liquidy foundation. I did get a beauty blender. She's not the cleanest, but she's disinfected. So I'm gonna just pounce over this and see, because I feel like with my brush, I was definitely getting streaks. It definitely works better with a beauty blender. So no brushes allowed with this one. What do you think? Like, first impressions, like, it got rid of my redness. It really covered up pretty well. I still see this discoloration right here on my cheek, but honestly, I don't ever aim to fully cover that. So I just feel like it looks very natural. So that's definitely a plus. Let me move on to my other side of my next face. The other side of my face with the beauty blender, and now that it's shaken up a little bit better. And let's see how I feel then. It's very, very liquidy. That's all I can definitely say here. Okay, so foundation, I really like it actually. After all the craziness in the beginning, I really like how natural it looks and how glowy I look. I look super, super glowy. Like, I really, really dig that. It blended easier with the sponge. I will say you have to set it because it is so liquidy and glowy. I could see it like settling into fine lines. So maybe a little bit of a light powdering right in like any creasy, wrinkly areas you may have. But let's move on to concealer. This is in 250W, so this is lighter. Shake, shake, shake. This one I don't hear anything. Let's see. Oh. Okay. It's an interesting applicator. It's at an angle, okay, but it's at a thick angle. Like, I've never, stop focusing on my face. I've never seen that before. It's like a thick angled applicator. You know how you feel like a hair? So let's see, hopefully it's not too light. I'm gonna put that there. And again, blender. And I've been doing this new technique where I don't put it right under my eye, but I work it up the eye. So much product is not concentrated in my wrinkles. of under the eye. Whoa. That went well. That went really well. What do you think? Do you know? I feel like I noticed definitely a difference. Okay, let me do the other eye. So quick to blend. Like, it's so quick and easy. Like, I don't need to do much, which is the reason why I picked it up. When I put it on my hand and I blended it in, it just like kind of melted in. Wow. Okay, who is she? I'm loving it. It looks like I've slept for years when I don't sleep at all. Okay, what else did I get? Last but not least, because now I want more things, this is the Soft Pinch Blush in Lucky. I got kind of a bright color because I just thought it was so gorgeous and summertime is here, so why not? And that looks like this, like, whoa. Very appropriate with my top. Very, very matchy. Okay. Oof, I'm scared. I wonder if this is gonna be like, it has to be super potent. Maybe I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand first to play it safe. Oh, that is electric pink. Whoa, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna take my blender. I'm gonna take it on the rounder portion and I'm just gonna dab at the half of it and just put it here. Build it up. Build up is better than putting on too much. Okay, I might be seriously obsessed. It all just looks really beautiful and natural, and I'm definitely one for liquid blushes. A little bit more, because why not? A little smile, a little cheeky action. Wow, that is gorgeous. Like, you definitely have to work with the product first instead of just like throw it head on. It just looks really glowy and super natural, and it just looks like me, but if I didn't have hyperpigmentation, dark circles, acne marks, acne, you know, like a better version of me. Blush is just wow, like wow. Very vibrant, but very controllable. Definitely try the technique of putting it on your hand first. I'm kind of tempted to put this on my lips because it's just so beautiful and it would really match. I think I'm gonna go for it. Oh, it's so creamy. I should have put a liner first. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. A number one look for me, especially, you know what, anytime, is a bright red lip with amazing skin, like focus on skin that day with a red lip and lashes, and that is like my favorite look. And this with the hot pink, well, not hot pink, but you know, like a wearable pink blush, and your skin just looks so glowy. I'm obsessed. I love this look. I love these products. I don't even feel like I need to wear highlighter, and it just looks like me but better. Like, I love it. It matches my top. Like, it couldn't have gone better. I will leave a link down below. Let me know if you've tried her products already. Selena, chef's kiss. Let me know down below if you've tried anything. What are your favorites? If there's any others I should get. I was eyeing the Body Illuminator, so I might actually go pick that up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I catch you in the next video. Mwah.